Hi.
Hi,
What's your name and what do you do?
my name is David Selakovic. I'm a founder and CEO of Vegalab, and we manufacture pesticides and fertilizers that are fully natural and organic using the highest technology like nanoencapsulation, micronization, or similar things.
Very nice. And are you enjoying the event so far?
Oh yeah, it's beautiful, beautiful. A lot of like-minded people.
So do you think the networking is going well for you today?
Oh yeah, excellent.
And what was your motivation to be here?
Well, I wanted to meet people who are all pushing in the same direction, and that is, clean food, healthy food, better quality of food.
In one word, what does social security mean to you?
Food security?
Yeah.
Well, I don't think that's the problem that we have. We already have a lot of food. I think food quality would be the issue that we're having, and quality of the soil. There's an obesity problem everywhere in the world, even countries that, traditionally were very poor and undernourished. So everybody has too much to eat, but food is getting lower in quality, soil is depleting. So we will soon get to a problem that we will have less and less food available.
In one word, what is something that makes you instantly hungry the moment you take COVID?
I don't know. That's a tough one.
Really?
Yeah.
That was the
Instantly
most simple
hungry.
one.
I
That
don't
was the
know.
most simple one. Thank you very much for
Yeah.
your time. I
All
appreciate
right.
it.
Thank you.